Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'll show you how I combine two different types of sumac weaves to make a ring band. This weave here is all set to make into a ring. So if you want to see how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright, so let's get started. So I have my wires all set. I cut 4 lengths of 20 gauge dead soft copper wire. Copper wire I find is the easiest to practice on. I would work on copper before I would head to sterling silver wire. And I also have some 28 gauge which I threw on this bobbin here, which is nice because it helps it not to kink and stuff. I put a link to these down in the description. All my tools and materials are down in the description if you want to check it out. I also have an Amazon store link if you want to see all the products I buy from Amazon that I use. So I really like this weave. I mean, it's just, they're both sumac. We got sumac and modified sumac, and I'm going to use it to make a ring band. So I have 4 lengths of copper here. They're 8 inches long. I'm going to make a ring. I have it clamped and I already marked out my middle and my weaving edges. I'm going to start my weave there and end it here just so I can make my weaving pattern symmetrical. I'm just going to move my clamp up. You'll see what I mean. I already measured out the size ring I want and the size stone I have. So this is the band I need to make. So for this weaving pattern, I want to weave a pattern within this limitation. So as we go, I'm probably going to modify the pattern. Today, I'm just weaving the weave, and next time I will get into the ring making. I also flared my ends out. I only have 4 wires, but this will help me keep track. Pull out some wire here. I'm going to number my wires from the bottom up, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to start on number 1, bring my wire in between number 1 and 2, and I'm going to wrap it around a few times. 1, 2, 3. And that's just to stabilize my wire on the first wire here. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the sumac weave, and I'm going to make 3 passes. So I'm going to go up in between 2 and 3, up around 2, out between 1 and 2, up and around 3 and 4, bring the wire out between 2 and 3, and up around 4. And I'm gonna go around number 4 one more time. I like to use guitar picks to smush that down. And next, we're gonna come back down. So now we're gonna come out between 2 and 3, up around 3, and down the back, and come out between 1 and 2, up around 2, down around number 1, and wrap around number 1 once. Let's smoosh that down. And we're going to repeat that pattern. Up around 2, in between 2 and 3, down and come out between 1 and 2, up around 3 and 4, come out between 2 and 3, and then up around 4, and then wrap around number 4 once. And then come back down again. Out between 2 and 3, up around 3, out between 1 and 2, and up around 2, and then again around number 1. And I want to do that one more time. Up around 2, out between 1 and 2, up around 3, out between 2 and 3, up around 4, and around 4 one more time, So now I want to start making my modified sumac weave. So I'm going to come down, out between 2 and 3, up around 3, down and come out between 1 and 2, around 2, up around 2 and 3. And repeat that around 3, come down, between 1 and 2, go around 2, come out between 1 and 2, and up around 2 and 3. So that's twice. Let's see where 5 rotations gets us. Okay, out between 2 and 3, around 3, down and out between 1 and 2, up around 2, out between 1 and 2 again, and up around 2 and 3. Okay, that's 3. Let's go 2 more rotations. Okay, that's 5. I think I need to go do 7. That's 7. Still think that's not long enough. Let's do 9. Just gotta be aware of where your middle is. And if you're making a ring band, you just gotta be mindful of that to make sure it stays symmetrical. Okay, I'm gonna do another 3 passes of the sumac weave. So I'm gonna come around, come down and go around number 1 time. Go up around 1 and 2, come out between 1 and 2, go up around 2 and 3, come out between 2 and 3. Go up around 4, go around 4 once, and come back down again. Repeat it again. All right, back up again. Smoosh everybody down nice and tight. And come down and do your modified sumac again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. That brings us to about the center. I can kind of see my little markings. I'm going to smush it all down nice and tight, and then I'm going to do 3 more of the sumac. And we should be pretty symmetrical. Go around the first row once, and then do the sumac. Okay, so I'm at the center, and I'm gonna mirror this side to that side, and I'll be back. All right, there we are. That's the pattern, and this is my ring band I'm gonna make for my ring. I'll go ahead and show you at the end of the video. It's pretty symmetrical. This is the wire I used to measure out my ring band. It's pretty good. So there you have it. It's pretty cool. So let me finish the ring and I'll show you that, and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the ring I made, but most importantly, this is the shank, all oxidized. So that's the weave pattern there. And of course, now that you know the weave pattern, make sure to subscribe, and I'll show you how to make the ring. Little dragon eye I had laying around. So what do you guys think? If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My question of the week is, what would you like to see? What would you like to see me make? Let me know. It would be fun to hear. All right, so that's it for me. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.